Yeah, you got more like that, yeah.
Yeah. Not dancing niggas. No. Yeah, them things we saw in there. The excavator. The dump truck, I think they're big ones. Big ones, yeah.
Yes, correct.
It's a schnell one.
Yes, Mr. Yeah.
9K guys, free turbo and Sebring.
What's that for? I know someone that lives at Blackpool, he had a foot. Oh. Is it that one it's got to? Eh?
No, the blusters though. Looks like.